Ground Zero Festival is an idea came out by the three of us, me, Sheng and Mara. We wanted to raise awareness about sustainability living in Singapore. So last year we did Ground Zero Market and it was a success. So this year we thought that, oh, let's amp it up even more, and we came out with Ground Zero Festival. An event that aims to use music, experiences through workshops, different activities, and bring in different vendors such as zero waste, vegan food vendors.
So this year's dynamics is a lot more experience-based compared to last year. So we have a lot more workshops and exhibitions for people to really be present in what they do and what they see, soak into the kampung culture and be slow down and be present in their lives while enjoying the sustainable kampung lifestyle.
We hope that this is not just an annual one-year thing, but instead people would be able to bring this mindset back to the city, even though we are not that far from the city here, and really inculcate more sustainable practices in their lifestyle. For back to Ground Zero itself, be able to extend it into other areas.
We might see you somewhere else.